Meaning of e-tailing.
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 E-tailing. E-tailing is a term used to describe the practice of selling goods or services online through an electronic retailing platform. It refers to the conducting of retail transactions using the internet as a means of communication. E-tailing has become increasingly popular due to the convenience it provides to consumers, who can purchase products from anywhere at any time. Online retailers benefit from lower overhead costs and can reach a wider audience. E-tailing has revolutionized the retail industry, providing consumers with greater choice and convenience while also presenting new opportunities for businesses to compete in the marketplace.